Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. I'm very excited to announce the Corvette back on the channel. It's been a long month that it was at the body shop getting repaired again, and I'm just so happy to have it back. And let's take a look at what happened and what they did. Okay, so as you know, last fall hit a deer with the Corvette in the front passenger corner, and it was the headlight and hit the bumper here and basically just cracked the paint. No severe damage, but when I was looking at it, the spring getting it out, I noticed that the crack in the paint was still showing underneath. Sorry, it's really windy today. Hopefully you can still hear me. But yeah, so I wasn't happy with the work they did. So I ended up taking it back, and they took a look at it and they decided to actually replace the whole bumper. Okay, sorry about the wind. Hopefully you can hear me. But anyway, yeah, so they decided not to mess with it, not restanding and repainting again, just get a whole new brand new bumper. Also, when they took apart the fender and the headlight to check it again, they noticed that the fender was actually cracked pretty severely underneath. I'm going to try to throw in some pictures I saw. And so the whole fender was replaced. And in addition, if you saw my last video, I noticed with the new headlight, there was a ring around the headlight lamp there, and they got a new headlight under warranty. So basically, 3 parts here, bumper, headlight, and fender, are totally new, repainted from scratch, and also then had to blend in the door and mirror, and overall it looks pretty damn good. I'm pretty happy with it this time. The paint looks to match, decent, it lines up relatively decent as well, and that's not always easy on these Corvettes with the composite material. The rubber bumper. The bumper is different material than the fenders. So overall, I'm much more pleased than I was before, and happy they worked with me. And they did have to make an insurance adjustment for the new fender and open up the claim again, but it's the same claim. So you know, there were some adjustments there for the new fender and new bumper, but that was all taken care of. And of course, I know it took a while, but I didn't want to rush them, and I told them to take as much time as needed, because really the weather wasn't that great in March here anyway. So I had my loaner Fusion that I made a video on that actually wasn't too bad of a car for the month, so some miles on that thing and saved a lot of gas. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you an update here. I'm really happy with the results, and I'm super excited to have it back, more importantly. And I want to start driving it again, making some more videos with it, of course. And you know, race season's just around the corner here. The first race event's in April. If the weather is decent, see how that goes. But obviously, it's pretty damn windy and chilly today, so I don't know. But anyway, guys, I hope you continue to subscribe and watch the channel for all the new videos this season. It's going to be car show season coming up as well. So I'm going to start going to the shows. Definitely say hi if you see me at these shows, and follow me on Instagram, because I do post when I go to the shows, so that people know where I'm at if they want to say hi, and they want to see the car and everything. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate all the support through this. It's a longer process than I thought, but just again, glad to have it back. And you know, I just wanted to make sure it was totally done right. I wasn't going to accept anything less. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.